So you want to edit raw photos but don't want to pay for Lightroom. Darktable is the big free option, but there's a new fork called Ansel. Which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Ansel is a fork of Darktable 4.0 created by the same guy who built the scene-referred workflow and worked full-time on Darktable for 4 years. His name is Aurélien Pierre. He made the Filmic module, which was a huge deal for Darktable. Ansel stripped out 30 lines of poorly written code and rewrote 11,000 lines to make it cleaner and faster. The installer is only 83 megabytes compared to Darktable's 116 megabytes. It's compatible with Darktable 4.0 editing histories, but not with newer versions. Ansel only keeps the general purpose and robust features to focus on efficient image processing and reduce overhead. It runs slightly faster than Darktable because removing extra interface events means less CPU load. The interface is simpler. Many modules are merged into a global menu, and it has a rewritten import tool. Basically, it's a lighter, more focused version of Darktable without all the bloat. Think of it like Darktable on a diet. Now, Darktable keeps getting updates. Version 4.2 and beyond add new features and tools all the time. It has a bigger community, more tutorials online, and more ongoing development. If you want the latest features and don't mind a steeper learning curve, Darktable gives you more options, but it's also much more complex. Here's the thing. Darktable has a reputation for being hard to use, with people complaining about having to learn an entirely new way of working and diving into docs for everything. Darktable isn't as polished or user-friendly as Lightroom or Capture One, and Ansel tries to fix this with a cleaner interface. But Ansel is less popular, so fewer tutorials and community help exist. So, which one? If you want something lighter, faster, and less overwhelming, try Ansel. It's perfect if you're okay with fewer features but want better performance. If you want the latest tools, more community support, and don't mind complexity, stick with Darktable. Both are free, so honestly, just try both and see which one clicks for you. That's Darktable vs Ansel, guys. Let me know which one you prefer, and I'll see you in the next video.